Hello everyone, my name is Royce Jackson. I belong to Udupi, Karnataka. I recently completed my Masters in Business Administration from D.Y. Patil University, Pune. After that, I have been searching for job in Naukri, and some of my friends suggested that a company that is Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. In this company, I gained full knowledge about the knowledge and details about Evision. So I joined a full-time job internship program in the company, and I got real-time work experience in the trending tools and technologies like basic networking, virtualizations, Windows administration, CCNA, cybersecurity network, ITIL, and all these modules. These all modules were taught by good teachers. The trainers were very good at they are experienced. I have learned about networking devices, types of IP address, MAC address, virtualizations. I have also learned about social security manager, Active Directory, Windows servers, file protocols like domain joining, theoreticals as well as practice knowledge, and many more. I have also learned about Active Directory. In the next modules of CCNA, I got to know about subnetting, routing configurations, access controlling, along with many other modules. I have learned all these things not only theoretically but also practically. I can confidently say that Evision had helped me a lot. I have learned so many things which have made me more confident. They had taught me not only theoretical knowledge but also practical skills. They also conducted mock interviews which helped me a lot in improving my weak points. Now I am fully confident that I can crack any job interview on my first attempt. I can confidently say that Evision has helped me a lot in my improving my skills as well as my career. I have learned so many things which have helped me to confident myself. Now I am placed in M.B.A. at Mangalore with a good salary and with good knowledge. Only with the help of Evision I could even success in this career. So I am very glad to say that Evision helped me a lot in building my career. So I can assure that 100% of placement will be provided from their company. So I'm always grateful for Evision. Thank you Evision HR for supporting me and helping me anytime. Also the technical teams. I would also like to thank Evision team. Thank you so much.